Okay. Hi everybody. Hello to everybody. Hi to all. I love you very much, but you make problem. Thank you. It's my cat. My cat. My cat. Very wonderful cat. Make. Who's have cat know what uh, can to make cats in the house. It's something special. So today I want to try to pick first lock of Paul, box mail of Paul from Paul. And this first I understand very many, not very many, but some people ask me about this lock when I make video and put on the channel. So it will first I I pick him two time this lock. A nice lock, so nice lock. I don't know. It have 6 pins. I change record of no records of record. So I want to try if maybe it will more good. And I open here a place for will more. I don't know. Maybe it will good. We see. If not will good, I make once again. So 6 pins and very interesting giveaway. Not have a line. No, you can't to 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 make line from up to the bottom of this lock. And this profile take from me zipping method of opening. So where is my red belt? Red belt. And I need tensioner. And here I need what kind of tensioner? I need something for for the down point. Yes, but here it's open profile down. I don't know. I take something. Just a moment. It's changed something now. Not okay. Very nice. I want to move something from to here because I need my hand from here. It's very no. It will no. We make what I am doing. I know. Nice. Nice. Okay. I feel. Just a moment. I put this. I put. But if it's. I can't to put. Just a moment. I want to see in the record. How nice. Maybe I try if it will good. It's so not comfortable, real. First ask and now for asking. Nice. and 5. Oops. So wonderful was. Okay, restart. I'm sorry. It's wrong. This wrong. I can't make this nothing. How it's out? Okay. Once again, where I was first was asked. Just a moment. Nice. And second, okay. Nice. Third. Nice. 4 no. 6. Nice. It not was 6, it's not, it was 5. Just a moment. First. It's first, is second. A little move. Third. Nice. And 4 it's open. 6 I don't know. Where are you? No, where is 6? I maybe I not feel him. I not have K from this lock. I have no. I say free language. Very interesting moment to say free language. It's no something new. So this is open, and maybe I want to I say I got okay, so I got now this lock. Yes, I say every lock of Paul I
Make got it. But here I not feel something, how to say, mushrooms, no, nothing. In this one, not try to put on the end of on the line in multi-lock. Here, it's this is Paul something like
fall gates in Terrar Daxira, but Axira more difficult to pick, more difficult. For example, because pins in Axira not look excellent like this. It's long and not have driver pins, just one like slider. But he look something like that, but long and have 3 or 4 fall gates. And if fall gates open or no close in this lock in Axira, it's very difficult to out from this position. So okay, very many time I make this video. Gutting I make maybe no speed I try. And now we see this moment. So this is pins. It's have you see on the rotor. It's have cutting on the side of places for pins. So just a moment. I want to show here. Where are you? Here. I see this. Here I see two, if I'm not mistaken. Just first not have, second, third, four, five have. Cutting around here. That's all. That's all. So thank you for watching. Many time it's take. Thank you for watching. Good luck everyone. Goodbye. Bye bye.